Okay, the last example I'll go ahead and work on section 2.3 is number 68. It's a little bit of, it looks a little bit tricky, but I'll show you it's really not that bad. So what they want us to do is, they give us one equation. They want us to find the value of x, and then evaluate the second function. So the first part we'll worry about is just this guy. Let's solve for x here. So we have 3/2 x plus 3/4 x is equal to 1/4 x minus 4. Now remember that little trick I did for number 46? We're going to go ahead and do that right here. We see we have fractions, and those are kind of hard sometimes for some of us. So what we'll go ahead and do is multiply everything to find to get a least common denominator right away. And we'll look. We'll see 2 and 4. The least common denominator is 4. And we've got a 4 here, good. So it's still 4. We've got a 1 here, so it's still 4. So let's multiply everything in here by 4. 3/2 x times 4 is going to give us 12 x over 2 plus 4 times 3/4 x to give us 12 x over 4 is equal to 4 times 1/4 is going to give us 4 over 4x minus 4 times -4 is minus 16. Now we go ahead and simplify. 2x or 12x divided by 2 is just 6x, because 12 divided by 2 is 6, plus 12 divided by 4 is just 3x, is equal to 4 divided by 4 is just x minus 16. Now let's get all of our variables to one side. We see 6x plus 3x is equal to 9x, is equal to x minus 11, or minus 16, I'm sorry. Let's go ahead and subtract x from both sides. Oops, I'm sorry. Subtract, not divide. There. And we end up with 8x is equal to x minus x is 0. Is equal to negative 16. We know we want a 1 right there, so we divide both sides by 8. Both sides by 8. They give us a 1x. So x is equal to negative 16 divided by 8 is negative 2. So here's our value, our solution for x for this first equation. Now what they want us to do is evaluate this guy, this function for x is equal to negative 2. So let's go ahead and say, okay, they want us to find what x squared minus x is equal to. And that's a big question mark. For x is equal to negative 2. So let's go ahead and all we got to do is plug in negative 2 everywhere we see an x. So got to be careful here. Anytime we see this, we want to put in parentheses negative 2 squared minus parentheses negative 2. We're still trying to figure out what that equals to. Negative 2 squared is negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 equals positive 4 minus negative, or minus a negative 2 makes it a plus 2. And we know 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. And what do you know? Our answer is equal to 6. So we have solved this correctly, done our work right. You're ready to go ahead and work on section 2.3 problems. Good luck and have a good